Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's discussion session wherein we are going to discuss the CAT 23 paper, the slot 2 paper particularly, CAT 23 slot 2 paper, the QA section. So as you all know, we had 22 questions. Let's go for 10th one. Ravi is driving at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour on a road. Vijay is 54 meters behind Ravi. So Ravi is here. Suppose Ravi is here. Vijay is 54 meters behind Ravi and driving in the same direction as Ravi. So Ravi is suppose going right, Vijay is also going right. Ashok is driving along the same road from the opposite direction at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour and is 225 meters away from Ravi. So Ashok is somewhere here. He is driving in opposite direction. The distance is 225 meters. The speed in kilometers at which Vijay should drive so that all three cross each other at the same time is, okay, let's try to look at the speeds here. So it's given that Ravi is driving at 40 kilometers per hour. Ashok is driving at 50 kilometers per hour. We need to figure out the speed of Vijay here. So at what speed should Vijay travel so that all the three cross each other at the same time is the question. So let's try to solve this. So since all three have to cross each other at the same time, so let's try to worry about the time when Ravi and Ashok will cross each other. So what is the time taken by Ravi and Ashok to cross each other? So time taken by Ravi and Ashok to meet will be, we can apply relative speed here. So speeds are 40 and 50, they are moving in opposite directions. So it will be sum of the speeds, 90 kmph. Distance between them is 225 meters, and since the distance is in meters, let's convert the speed in meters per second. It will be 90 into, when I try to convert it into meters per second, 5 by 18. So when you do this, 18 will go 5 times. So it will give us 9 seconds. So that means Ravi and Ashok are going to meet somewhere here, suppose here, in 9 seconds. Now in 9 seconds, how much distance should we travel? V is Vijay, right? Vijay should travel, already is 54 meters behind. He has to cover that distance first, and over and above that, he needs to travel this much distance which is travelled by Ravi. So what is this distance? Let's try to figure out. So distance travelled by Ravi in 9 seconds. So how much will it be? It will be 40 kmph. Meters per second will be 5 by 18 meters per second into 9 seconds. So when you simplify, 9 2s 20s 100 meters. So this is going to be 100 meters. Or another way of looking at it could be, the speeds of R and A are in the ratio 4:5. The distance is 225. That should also be covered in the same ratio 4:5. So Ravi covers 4 parts out of 9 parts in 225. We can also get it like that. So now that means Vijay will have to travel 154 meters in 9 seconds. So thus can I say speed of Vijay, that's what is the question, should be, he should travel 154 meters in 9 seconds. So 154 by 9 meters per second. But since we want our answer in kilometers per hour, the option choices, all of them are in kilometers per hour. Let's multiply by 18 by 5. So 9 will go 2 times. So it's 308 by 5, which happens to be 61.6 kmph. So option choice 2 will be the correct answer.